here we are, Broughty Ferry pier, testing the GoPro Silver on a gimbal with no external mic, just using an onboard microphone. There's a slight breeze today, so I'm expecting a wee bit of wind noise. Here we are, there's the Broughty Ferry castle with the cannonball holes in it. So I'll just basically wander about a wee bit, I'll not do too much chatting away. And let's see how it stands up to the wind noise and other noises. It's actually quite a nice day today. It's awfully close. Thank goodness for that wee breeze. I'm starting to boil in the car. I see some chappies fishing at the end of the pier. Have a wee chat with him maybe. I've always wondered about this chap in this van. It just sits here permanently all the time. It's full of junk. I think he's waiting for the apocalypse. Right, here we go. There's the other piers in the background there. That's all the oil rig stuff. And beyond that, of course, is the two bridges, the road bridge and the railway bridge. And this little building here's the Ye Amphibious Swimming Club. These mad people do things like dive into the harbour in the middle of winter and swim across the other side of the Tay and stuff like that. Absolutely crazy. Well, nice wee breeze has brought the yacht people out. So yeah, I should have brought my fishing rod. So I think sleepy doggy. Oh, sleepy doggy. Right. Well, that's probably enough with the microphone unplugged. So I'll plug the microphone in now. Right, there we are. That's the microphone plugged in. Let's see if that makes a difference. I'll ask this guy how how's the fishing doing?
I've got about 5 crabs and this is it.
Yeah, right. Yeah, this doesn't fish as good as it used to.
Chap over there's got something.
Yeah? I used to fish here all the time when I was a kid.
Yeah, it used to be quite productive.
Aye, yeah, but it's changed, isn't it? Yeah.
It's improved catching a crab or two of late.
Yeah, crabs and porals, but they used to call me the flounder king. I used to get fish that way, and I used to get loads and loads of flounders.
Yeah.
But whoever knows anyway. I'm just doing a wee sound test on my camera, because I came out here because there's a wee bit of wind. And with an onboard microphone you get all that. So I got this little cheap Chinese thing and plugged it in. I'm hoping that'll make a difference. Yeah, it's a nice day for it. I'm going to take a wander about and continue talking to myself. Ah. How you doing? Got anything?
No, he's had a nice mackerel.
A mackerel? Oh, right,
Yeah.
right. I might even come, if the mackerel are going to be about, I might come down myself. I like a nice tasty mackerel, but yeah, when I were a lad, we used to go into the docks over there, and if you had 6 feathers on, you got 6 mackerel.
In the Dundee?
In the docks, yeah.
Yeah, I remember that. I used to, because I lived in the centre of the town as a boy.
All
I
right.
used to go fishing there as well.
Yeah, well, at the time we lived up William Street, so, up the Victoria Road basically.
Yeah, I know where Williams Street.
And we used to go down there and scrounge sand eels off the dredger guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And honestly, shoals of mackerel, but I don't know, the fishing here isn't as good.
Oh, definitely not.
No, nowhere near as good as it used to be. Last year I actually bought a permit for a sea trout. I fished all year, never got 1 sea trout. So I'm not going to bother. I sent in a nil return, but I'm not even going to renew it. You know, so.
You only need it if you catch and keep it.
I
mean, if you
yeah.
catch and release, you're all right.
Catch and
you
release.
can't catch one on a Sunday.
That's right. But hey ho.
Yeah.
So only
I used to remember that, the docks, and especially when they opened the gates
aye.
to let the boats in. You used to see all the flipping
thousands of mackerels come in.
And the mackerel coming in, but when they shut the gates, you had a captive.
That's right. We used to haul them out by the dozen. It was great. But
at that time, I had a 1-piece fiberglass rod, and you could practically bend and touch it. Like
right.
And, I bait fished with that.
All right,
and
right.
That was great fun.
I had a rod like that. It was a green one. It was a Milbro. A Milbro one.
Yeah.
And the pride of my possessions at the time was a Mitchell 304 reel, which was a kind of Rolls Royce. The reels. They're still fetching money, those things, on eBay. But I recently bought a Mitchell reel, but it's not the same Mitchell. Somebody's bought the name.
Yeah.
So it's kind of Chinese knockoff, basically. Anyway, so I only came down today to do a sound test on my camera because these things suffer from wind noise. The microphone is on the top there, and when you're wandering about, you get whoosh whoosh. Yes. So I'm trying out this little mic thing here to see if that's any better. Yeah. Because basically, I got it for putting on my motorbike. And you get a lot of wind noise. Anyway, I'll let you get fishing. Okay, see ya. Bye. Aye. Who's the chap with the mackerel? Somebody caught a mackerel?
I've not seen one yet.
No? Right. It's one of the lads there just said somebody caught a mackerel.
It was myself. Was
it? Yeah. Oh, right. Well, once the mackerel start appearing, I'll come down and have a crack myself, you know. I like a bit of mackerel. Wander off. Talk to myself somewhere else now. So, anyway, that's been a nice wee test, actually chatting away to somebody about when I were a lad and stuff like that. That wee bit of beach there, that's facing where Sharon and Victoria live, those flats. So they've got a nice view. Is that them at the window? I'll give them a wave. Oh, there's, I don't know if you'll see it, but I'm waving at Izzy. They're at the window. Yeah, you can see me. Any luck? No.
Oh well, somewhat. So I played.
Yeah. I used to fish here a lot when I was a lad. We used to catch fish, but now you just sit there and enjoy the view and catch nothing. I'll take a wee wander around and see if there's any nice bits of driftwood down there. The only problem with living here is car parking. It's really, really busy.
She's got rain.
Yeah, take a wee wander down here, see if there's any nice bits of driftwood. I've been down here a few times and picked up some really nice little bits of driftwood, which I take home and clean up, and I bleach in a tank and for a couple of days, and then I'll rinse them for a couple of days, dry them out, and they're really, really good ornaments for the gecko vivariums, because they like to climb, or at least the crested geckos like to climb. It's not the best time for looking for driftwood. You're better after a storm or something, but you know, you never know. It's quite popular, this area. A lot of people come down here for driftwood.
I got a big one to make a big trap.
Yeah, not much. Well, there we are. It's Broughty Ferry, looking across. See the bridges there, Fife. There's the pier and the castle in the background. It's quite nice out here, very nice day. Well, that's about it, I think. So I hope it's been a worthwhile little test. The only other thing I could do is maybe reposition the microphone, but where to put it, it's still going to be in the wind.
Yeah, it's a memorial bench. Yeah. And see those families.
Right, I think that's about as much footage as I need. So we'll end this test and we home and get a cup of tea.